Good morning class. Today we will be doing kingdom planting. Now in the previous class we had discussed the 5 kingdom classification, and the 5 kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker, and the kingdoms are kingdom 1 Monera, kingdom 2 Protista, kingdom 3 Fungi, kingdom 4 Plantae, and kingdom 5 Animalia. So we begin with kingdom Plantae today. Kingdom Plantae has been divided into 2 subkingdoms, Cryptogame and Phanerogame. So Plantae, this is kingdom, 4th kingdom, which is divided into 2 subkingdoms. Two subkingdoms. First, Cryptogame, and the second subkingdom is Phanerogame. Cryptogame, the word cryptos means hidden and gamus means marriage. Now, plants belonging to this subkingdom, they do not bear flowers and seeds. That is why it is said hidden marriage. The plant body is not differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. They reproduce by spores, and they most important thing is they do not produce flowers and seeds. Coming to Phanerogame, the term phaneros means visible and gamos means marriage. By this it is meant that these group of plants, they produce flowers and seeds. Now coming back to Cryptogame. Cryptogame is divided into 3 divisions. The first division is called Thallophyta. In this, thallus means undifferentiated and phyta means plant. That is, the plant body in Thallophyta is undifferentiated. It is thallus-like. Thallus-like, undifferentiated, with no roots, stem and leaves. No roots, stem and leaves. These are the earliest, or let us say the most primitive and simple plants. They are aquatic, found in water, both in fresh water and marine water. Now, most of these plants are algae. Algae are of 3 kinds. Green algae, which contain the pigment chlorophyll. They come under chlorophyceae. This green algae, examples of this, some examples I will tell you: Chlamydomonas, Cladophora, Eulothrix, Spirogyra. These are a few to name examples of green algae. Then there is brown algae. It comes under the group Phaeophyceae. The pigments along with green pigments, chlorophyll, other pigments like fucoxanthin, carotenoids are present, which give them brown color. Most of these are marine forms, and examples of this are fucus, sargassum and laminaria. Okay. Then we have the red algae. Red algae belongs to Rhodophyceae, and examples of this are Polysiphonia and Gelidium. These are important examples of the three kinds of algae belonging to Thallophyta. Now the second group is Bryophyta. Second group is Bryophyta. Bryos means mosses and phyta is plant. Here also the body is not differentiated into roots, stem and leaves, but the mosses which come under Bryophyta, they have root-like structures called rhizoids, stem and leaves, but they do not bear flowers and produce seeds. They do not have vascular tissue, which means that the xylem and phloem tissue is absent. So I will write about Bryophyta now. Second group, Bryophyta. As I told you, these are plants with undifferentiated plant body, do not have roots, but the mosses have root-like structures called rhizoids, stem and leaves, and the vascular tissue is absent, which means xylem and phloem are absent. Now, bryophytes, they are the first terrestrial plants. By terrestrial, it means they are the first plants that are found on land. As I had mentioned, Thallophyta are aquatic plants found in water. It can be fresh water, it can be marine water, but these are found on land. They are also called amphibians of the plant kingdom. Amphi means both. That is, they complete their life cycle both on land and in water. That is, their major part of the life cycle is on land, but for reproduction, water is essential. Water is essential for reproduction because fertilization needs water. That is why they are called amphibians of the plant kingdom. Important characteristic of the second division under Cryptogamy, that is bryophytes. I am using the term division here because phylum, we have studied the categories of classification: kingdom, subkingdom, phylum. Phylum is called division in plants. It's the same. The terms mean the same level of categorization, but in plants we use the term division. So they are bryophytes are called amphibians of the plant, and they are the first terrestrial plants. but they lack a vascular system. Xylem and phloem are absent. These bryophytes, they include mosses. Examples are Funaria and Sphagnum. Then there are liverworts. Liverworts, examples of liverworts are Riccia and Marchantia. Then there are hornworts in bryophytes. An example of hornworts is Anthoceros. So this is the second division. Now we come to the third division under cryptogams. Third division under cryptogams is called Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta comes from the word pteris. Pteris means ferns and phyta means plant body. Here, these are the truly developed plants on land, which means, truly means they have a plant body that is differentiated into roots, stem and leaves. But they, difference from bryophytes is they have a vascular system. That is, the vascular tissue, xylem and phloem are developed in this. Xylem and phloem tissue are developed. These tissues are developed in pteridophytes, so they are the truly well-developed plants on land. They lack flowers and seeds. Reproduction is by means of spores. And pteridophytes includes ferns. Example of ferns is pteris, Marsilia, Azolla. These are examples of ferns. They include club mosses. Club mosses, examples of these are Lycopodium, Selaginella, and the third group of plants are called horsetails. An example of this is Equisetum. T-U-M. E-Q-U-I-S-E-T-U-M. Equisetum. So these are the three divisions under the subkingdom Cryptogame, where plant body is not going to produce flowers and seeds. Now we come to phanerogams. Phaneros means visible, gamus means marriage. These plants produce flowers and seeds. I will erase this and write about phanerogams here. Phanerogams. Phanerogams are well-developed plants. They bear flowers and seeds. Now, phanerogams belong to the division Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta has been divided into two subdivisions. These subdivisions are called gymnosperms, gymnospermae, and angiosperm. Now, gymnospermae. Gymnos means naked and spermae means seed. the gymnosperms have seeds which are naked, which means they are not enclosed in a fruit. Seeds are produced but they are not enclosed in a fruit. So since the seeds are without a covering, they are called naked seeds. Gymnosperms reproduce by means of cones. Cones are produced and male and female cones are separate. Male and female cones are produced, seeds are produced, but seeds are not enclosed in a fruit. These gymnosperms include conifers. Conifers, examples of conifers are the pine, firs, and the second group is cycads. An example of cycads is cycas. So this is about gymnosperms. Coming to angiosperms. Angion means cover and sperm, I have already told you, means a seed. So here flowers are produced and flowers contain seeds. The ovary of the flower will form the fruit and the ovules inside the ovary form the seeds. Now seeds have a cover on them. The fruit encloses the seeds, so they come under angiosperms. Angiosperms are further of two kinds depending upon the number of cotyledons present. The number of cotyledons present in the seed. These are of two kinds. If one cotyledon is present, it is called monocotyledony. When one cotyledon is present in the seed, and examples of this are rice, wheat, maize, bamboo, banana, etc. I've just given you a few examples. You will find more examples in the book. Then the second group is called dicotyledony. As the name itself tells you, di means two cotyledons. In short, dicotyledony is called dicot. Monocotyledony is called monocot. Mono means one, cot is cotyledon. Dicotyledony means two, di means two, cotyledony means two cotyledons. So in this there are two cotyledons, and examples of this, most of the plants, pea, gram, mango, sunflower, etc., China rose, they all are dicotyledony because their seeds contain two cotyledons. So this was about the plant kingdom. Now before I close this topic, let us quickly make a chart, flow chart, talking about all divisions of the plant kingdom, all groups that come under the plant kingdom. Kingdom Plantae, as I told you, is divided into two subkingdoms, Cryptogamy and Phanerogamy. Phanerogamy has flowers and seeds. This does not have flowers and seeds. Cryptogamy is divided into three divisions. Halophyta, example of which are the algae. Then second is Bryophyta, example of which are mosses and liverworts and hornworts. And Pteridophyta, examples of which are the ferns, club mosses, and horsetails. Phanerogams, the division is called Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta has been divided into two groups, gymnosperms and angiospermy. Gymnosperms are divided into two: cycads, example of which is cycas; conifers, example of which are pine and firs. Angiosperms are divided into two: monocots having single cotyledon and dicot having two cotyledons. Example of monocot: rice, wheat, banana, bamboo. Dicot examples are pea, gram, sunflower, China rose, etc. These have naked seeds. These have seeds enclosed in the fruit. So these are the major groups of kingdom Plantae. I'll stop here. That much is enough for today.